And we just took off from Portage, and we're heading to our first rendezvous, Puckaway Lake, going into arrival for Oshkosh. I've got the 750 Cruiser in front of me, and I've got the 750 Super Duty behind me, and I'm flying the 750 Super Duty.
Okay, you must have put it in the turbo and tabulator. Right stuff out.
I've got to maintain 1800 for our approach. I've got 750 Cruiser in front of me. And we got the ATIS 25.9. Not picking it up yet, so still a little hard.
6 hours till ice cream.
And then we'll switch over to Fisk approach 20.7. Right now we're just monitoring fingers, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just trying to get the idea what everybody's doing. Nice, beautiful day. We're probably in the high 70s, 80s. Just can't ask for a much better day. Virtually no wind at all.
I am too, and I got ATIS on monitor.
And we're anticipating a 3-6 arrival. Definitely will make it easier for taxiing for me. Going to the booth. All right, so what we're going to do is we got to follow this shoreline up here. I don't know if you guys can see it up here. It's called Puckaway Lake. And then we fly the shoreline of Puckaway Lake.
Kind of looking like we maybe just head straight towards Puckaway. I'd like to. So there's a gaggle of about 4 or 5. They're about 23 miles ahead of us. They're moving pretty slow.
That's probably us they're talking about. Anybody's going slow, it's got to be us in the 750s.
What are you guys flying? Rand's 21s. Wow, we're flying the Zenith, guys. You from Hayes? Yeah, just Raj. Oh, that is you, Randy. Yeah, we're going to beat you. Baby. I better not say it too loud. You might beat me. Hey, we're not in any big hurry. We just had a good lunch at Baraboo, and we're just lollygagging around. Yep, same here. So we're just enjoying the flight. Somehow, Shelly got the entire booth set up. Wow, that's great for you. I know. I can come over and help you guys now. There you go. Man, you guys talking about food got me hungry now.
Well, that was just Randy Schlitter from Rand's Aircraft. Still a great company. We all get along. So.
Yeah, I need one of those flags or decals. You do? How's it going, Randy? This is Sebastian. Hey, Seb. It's going really good. Yeah, beautiful day. Have any problems getting this far?
Just starting to get to the ATIS. It's like a big family reunion up here with all of my customers and vendors, and just a fun week ahead. Pretty smooth out, hands off. Look at that. Trim it down just a hair. Perfect. Got a traffic over there. And we'll lean it back a little bit still.
Southwest Information Golf 1753 Zulu, Wincom 33010, ceiling 5,000 broken, 6,500 broken, temperature T6 2.15, altimeter 3010. RNAV and VOR runway 27 approaching with VFR arrival procedures in effect, green light transition. Runway 27 to runway 26 left and right en route. Monitor Oshkosh approach, control frequency 120.7 for runway assignment and frequency.
Okay, sounds great. No bigger, nothing really serious is going on, so we'll just we've got that, so now we want to turn it on 120.70 to monitor Fisk. That's Steve Operly.
Yep, 9.7 right now.
He met up with him in Portage. He's flying a 750 cruiser, and he's, I believe, from Michigan. And we maintain 1800. We're at Green Lake now, our second rendezvous. Got two planes in front of us. Look side to side, I don't see any traffic.
Yeah, this sounds like a good time to be coming in. Doesn't sound too busy right now. Okay, that's good. You can monitor 120.7 as the Fisk approach. Yeah, just let me know when you switch over there. Yeah. I just have it on monitor. Bravo, you up? I'm up 6 drum, yeah. Alright.
I still carry
if you're monitoring 25.9, let me know. I'm going to keep flipping back till I hear something.
I still carry my
I've got it on.
chart.
It's 60 miles, and we're right about 70 right now. Yeah, I figured.
I like the paper chart because I can go back and look and write notes if I want to on it. It's just really nice. And we're coming up on Ripon. This is Ripon.
Yeah, let's go both switch over to 120.7. 27. RV wigwags, half mile south of Fisk, rock your wings. And good rock. Which runway you want? Have a preference? How about 36 today, Zink? Roger, turn right, join Fisk Avenue. That's east to westbound road. Keep the microwave tower off your right side, runway 36.
Okay, we're over Ripon, and we're heading to Fisk.
RV make the turn to Fisk Avenue, monitor tower 126.6.
And he's going to release us to, hopefully, 36.
Everybody coming into Oshkosh, welcome to the show. Currently runway 3627 in use. Stages 11 and 13 of the NOTAM. Current transition effect is Green Lake transition. Make sure that you go to Green Lake, southwest corner. Going to pick out an aircraft with similar performance and follow that aircraft all along the route towards Fisk. Maintain at least a half a mile in trail. If you're at 1,800 feet, make sure you're at 90 knots, half a mile in trail. If you can't shoot that, 2,300 feet, 135 knots. No side-by-sides. No over-unders. Nose to tail, at least a half mile in trail. If you pass Ripon, make sure you're directly over the tracks. Right over the track, that's where we'll see you. High wing with wigwags. Miles south of Fisk. Rock your wings. Alright, good rock. You're going to turn right, follow Fisk Avenue, the east to west road. Keep the microwave tower off your right side, runway 36. Maybe a Zenith, half a mile south of Fisk, rock your wings. Good rock, follow the railroad tracks northeast, runway 27. Right traffic, runway 27, keep it downwind inside the gravel pit, runway 27. Zenith with
wigwags. I need you to go to runway 36. Turn right to runway 36. Join Fisk Avenue, that's east to west road, microwave tower to the east, correction, to the east of your plane at all times. High wing, half mile south of Fisk, rock your wings. Looks like a Zenith. Alright, good rock. There's going to be runway 27, follow the railroad tracks northeastbound. Can I get 36?
From Zenith, high wing, take 36.
That's Zenith, affirm. If you could turn over top of Fisk right now, turn right. Join Fisk Avenue, east to westbound, microwave tower off your right side from runway 36. High wing, another Zenith looks like over Fisk, rock your wings, over Fisk right now. Alright, it's good rock, it's going to be runway 27, follow the railroad tracks northeast, keep following them, runway 27 right.
Yeah, see? We just asked them for 36 and they gave it to us. It just makes it a lot easier for once I touch down taxiing to our booth. They're not that busy, they're just kind of separating, so it wasn't putting any pressure on them at all. I don't hear anybody on 22.6 though. 22.6. One, 2, 6.6.
Yellow dot 36 left, clear to land.
Okay, gas, undercarriage, mixture prop, seat belts. And we'll start our descent.
High wing on a 1 mile left base, start your descent. Second high wing over the highway, start your descent. Purple dot 36 left, clear to land.
Okay, we're clear to land. 36 left, purple dot.
High wing over the highway, your altitude's already pretty decent. 36 left, yellow dot, clear to land.
Citation to heavy, 2.30 Foxtrot, over Port de Lock.
360 Foxtrot, Oshkosh Tower, report island.
Report island, 2.30 Foxtrot.
Over the numbers all the way, yellow dot, please power up. Terrain final right now, yellow dot, 36 left, clear to land.
Okay, we're cleared, yellow dot, left, 36. So, that's great. And we'll keep our power up. Look at all the traffic in here, all the planes. There's a lot of planes. Okay, I guess I could use a little bit of flaps.
High wing on the runway, left on the grass, once you get under control, thank you. Left in the grass. Short final purple dot, 36 left clear to lane. One over the purple dot, power up, yellow dot, clear to lane. Great job. Cessna over the highway, start your descent, yellow dot, 36 left clear to lane. Left in the grass, thank you. One mile left base, start your descent, yellow dot, 36 left clear to lane.
Okay, well, guys, we made it. We made it to Oshkosh. Had to add a little power, keep it going.
Left in the grass once you get under control.
It was fun.
Aircraft landing on 36 left, the big runway with the yellow and purple dots. Turn left in the grass with no delay when exiting the runway. If you need a hard surface, please advise. The grass has been rolled smooth. Follow the flagman parking.
All right, looks like a lot of aircraft already
Check
here.
your tires in the grass or hard surface. Let's go.